And the race is on. High Money from the outside, rushing up is Gabo. It's now Gabo by about 2 lengths, followed by High Money. Open Slew racing on the outside by Darrell Fort. Sir Ferdinand inner class is racing in fifth by about 3 lengths alongside Elgin and Chairman Len, while EJ's Magic running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, Gabo by a length and a half, followed by Open Slew in second. High Money racing third by about 2 lengths as they race the final corner. Gabo, the favorite by a length and a half. Open Slew is running in second. High Money racing third by Darrell Sir Ferdinand. Last 150 meters more to run. Gabo by about 3 lengths now. And nearing the finish line, Jeff Tagulaw Zarate on Gabo. Second, Open Slew, High Money, inner class, Sir Ferdinand, Len, Elgin and Chairman, and EJ's Magic.